Hello, and welcome to Bug Tussle University's online tech tutorials. Today, we are going to cover how to use FaceTime on Apple iPhones. Steps for this tutorial were created on May 8th, 2023, based on an Apple iPhone 12 with iOS version 16.3.1. This tutorial may not work for different devices or software. This is the Apple home screen, where you can find all of your applications. To begin, we are going to tap the FaceTime icon. To open the application, simply tap the icon and your phone will bring you into the FaceTime application. You may also choose who to FaceTime through your Contacts application. Once you are in your contacts, you may choose a contact with whom you would like to FaceTime. Once you've chosen a contact that you would like to FaceTime, tap either the Video option under the contact name or hit the camcorder button next to FaceTime. Both will initiate a FaceTime with the contact. From here, you will see a couple of different options. If you would like to start a FaceTime with someone who has an Apple device, tap New FaceTime. To FaceTime with someone, type in the name or phone number and then tap the FaceTime button in the bottom center. This will begin the FaceTime call. When in the FaceTime call, you have a variety of options on how to modify your FaceTime experience. To end the FaceTime call, tap the red X. To mute the sound that you are receiving in the call, tap the speaker button. To mute your microphone, tap the microphone button. And to mute your video, tap the camcorder button. To unmute any of these options, simply press the button again. To take a screenshot within the FaceTime video, tap the white button in the bottom left corner of the screen. This screenshot will then be sent to your camera roll. And lastly, to switch between your front and back-facing cameras, tap the Camera Flip button in the bottom right-hand corner of the video box. To begin a FaceTime with someone who does not have or use an Apple device, tap Create Link. From here, you can choose who to send the FaceTime link to by either selecting a specific recipient or by copying the link by tapping Copy. Once you tap Copy, you will then be able to paste the link and send it to whoever you would like, and from there, the recipient will be able to join your FaceTime by clicking the link. To paste the link in a message, simply tap the chat box once and select the Paste option. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. To find more tutorials like this one, subscribe to our Bug Tussle University channel. See you next time!